Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be part 2 of my cleaning and decluttering my room. I will be finishing what I started in the last video, which if you haven't seen, I will link. I'm going to be finishing my closet, and this is something that's probably going to take a while because not only do I just have miscellaneous stuff in there that needs to get gone through, like I have some craft stuff and just some old dresses and stuff that probably need to be hung up and stuff that has just gotten moved and misplaced since I last sort of cleaned it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I also have bought a new storage bin for my costuming stuff. So I have to go through my cosplay and costuming stuff and kind of figure out how I'm going to organize that and how I'm going to get the new stuff into the new bin. It's definitely overflowing, looks super chaotic. I can't wait to have it be clean so I can just open my closet and not be greeted with a mountain of just clothes and just general messiness. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so if you can see here, there's a lot going on. I've got a lot of stuff here. So I have school stuff, I have Depop selling stuff, I have costume stuff, I have bags, and just a bunch of nonsense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull everything out and I'm going to sort it as I go into either selling for Depop, costume, school supplies, or just miscellaneous, and then hopefully that will make this a much manageable pile of shit. One of the pins is loose on my bag, and I just stabbed myself really bad, and I'm bleeding, so I'm gonna go get a band-aid. Okay, I'm back, wound all dressed and not hurting anymore. That really sucked. Alright, so now all that's left in here is my already full bin of costuming stuff, so I'm going to leave that in here because there's no point in me pulling it out. So now I'm going to take all the stuff that I pulled out for costuming, get that in that bin, and put the bin. Hopefully it'll fit on top of here. I would really love that, just so I can stack them. I guess I'm going to start with this Cheshire Cat costume I have. It's like a rave outfit, but I don't really wear it as much as I used to, so I don't mind putting it at the bottom of the bin versus something that I wear pretty often towards the top. Something I find really important about putting away costumes is that I make sure that all the pieces of a particular costume are together. So I'm just looking at what I have pulled out here. I'm probably going to have to go into this bin and pull out some pieces that might have gotten put away, like if they got washed separately or something. And voila! I have put the rest of my costuming stuff away. This isn't nearly as full as it looks. This stuff really can be like smushed down since it's just all closed. This one is like super full. Like I couldn't really close it before, so I'm gonna be excited to see if I can close it now that I've taken some of the stuff out of there. Alright, costuming stuff complete. Time to move on to, I guess I could put some of the bags away since I just usually store my extra like duffel bags and backpacks like here. I could go ahead and put those away right now. Kind of sucks and didn't record me cleaning out all of the mess that was here. I have the before shot obviously, but you're gonna have to trust me. It was a mess and I took out a lot of stuff and it's gonna look a lot better once I put everything back. I promise. With that. That's fine for me. It's not the most organized. Obviously, these parasols are just kind of laying around, but it's better than it was before. It's a lot cleaner. That's all that's going back there. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean up my area, my space. I think that everybody should take the time to go through their stuff every once in a while and kind of declutter it. It just creates a peace of mind when you look around your room and everything is very like organized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please, please, please give me a like and comment down below. Comment your organization tips because I need them. I'm very good at organizing things at first, and then after a little while, it just gets really messy again, and I have a really hard time cutting down on clutter. Like I'll just shove things places and I'll be like, yeah, no, it's fine, it's cool. I don't worry about that. But yeah, so comment down your organization tips. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.